Hello traders, this is TAFXS. Welcome to TFX family, and I believe that guys you are doing great. All right, in this video we are going to do a random back testing because I just want you to see the power of TFX SMC, the one that I told you guys. It can grow, it can triple, it can give you even 5. It can multiply your equity by 5. All right, so without wasting time, because we're gonna watch this video live, we are not going to change anything. And we have already done the gold. We have already back tested the gold. I think now we can back test GBPUSD or Euro USD. Let us back test GBPUSD. Now, after selecting the pair here, let us go to how you can do even your own back testing to see the currencies or the pairs that you can trade or whatever you want to trade. Remember the system, you can trade even the Indians market, anything, any symbol in MT4 or MT5, our system can trade professionally, and you can grow your $100. All right. So here we can go. All you need to do it is to right click to whatever you want to do the back testing, and you can go here to bars histories, because we must have the history. All right. Let me do this very fast because it is very important. There is a video I've already shared about how to do the back testing, how to load the history in order for you to do a quick back testing. All right. And there we go. So now we are going to we are not going to change any setup, because remember the setup we have here, it is the same setup we had for the gold, yes, with 0.09. And since that is too high for the gold, but for the currencies we are going to advance. All right, we are going to have 2 positions at once, and we are going to use the same lot size, because you cannot compare currencies and gold. If gold can trade with 0.01, 0.09 with gold, this means for the currencies it can be 0.18, and instead of changing here, we can just add 2 position. All right, 2 position at once, or instant position. The other setup remain the same. The equity, it's $100. All right, the equity will be $100. We are going to backtest last month of August. Maybe I will share later about other months, but let us do this together. Here we are not going to do gold. Now we are going to select the GBPUSD Great Britain pound versus USD. We are going to backtest from date 1st of July to date 1st of August. All right. So the capital is here. The leverage is 1:500. Then from there, guys, we are not going to change anything. So I know it will be very perfect. I don't have any doubt about this. So I don't have to change anything, and let us start back testing. All right. So after doing that, you can zoom in so that it can go fast. So I'm not going to change anything. You can see the deposit, it's $100. If it will blow, let us see how and why. All right, so because it is good to understand the reason as to why we program, or we have upgraded our system into a higher level. And remember, this is the SMC Sniper EA, the one that trades only candles. But this time around, we are going to trade what we call we are using candle, but we are using a TFX Supreme candles. All right, we are going to use a Supreme candle. So I'm not going to minimize, because if you minimize, it will go very fast. But because I want you to watch every step, all right? Because some people be, oh, maybe it is edited. No, don't ask me, why didn't they not take this trade, blah, blah, blah. It must do a full technical analysis. You can see there is a sell at that point, because it must do a full technical analysis before entering the trades. Because you can see here, there was a buy, blah, blah, blah. Why this one? You will come to understand the reason as to why it must do a full technical analysis. Then let us see the power of our SMC. You can see we have a stop loss at this area. We don't have any of the take profit, because that is the work of the system and the Fibonacci. You can see it has already taken the first profit and length. Then we wait and see the power of the system, guys. All right. All right, all right, all right. We are going to do a live back testing here. No pausing, no doing anything. Just relax, take a cup of water, cold or hot water. It depends with your environment or maybe climate. And then watch the video closely and see the performance of the system, the combination of technical analysis and technical indicators when trading with SMC Sniper. Remember, we have already shared the 3 months video, August, July, and June. And we have seen every month it has been tripling or doubling the account. So we want to see what about when you mix gold and currencies, all right? Because sometimes you don't need to just trade golds. You can mix the gold and currencies. As far as if you're using 100 account dollars, let's say, for example, let me show something here. Let me scroll. All we need here for the chart limit, we only need to set one. Here you can see the chart limit, it's only one. So it can only take one position or one signal at a time, all right? So we are still going, all right? We are already in a profit of $24. So when you are working, you want to trade currencies and gold together because sometimes you can have a signal in gold, maybe we don't have signal in currencies. So you can work with all. The good thing with our system, it can trade everything, but as long as we have set the chart limit into one, it will be picking only one signal at a time. So if there is a signal for the gold, it won't pick any of the signal from any of the currencies. And if we have a signal in currencies, even if we get the gold signal, it cannot pick as long as there is one running a trade. The best thing is it can analyze everything you want to trade or all symbols that you have selected, whether, let's say, for example, you are trading currencies in gold, which is very, very advisable, currencies and gold, let's say, for instance. So this means that it will be only picking one signal at a time. All right, it will be picking one signal. I'm still enlightening you about the system as we are watching. You know, it's so boring watching in silent. It's very boring watching in silent. And maybe you are not hearing anything. You want to understand every details. So my point is, when you are trading gold and currencies, all you need to do it is to change this chart limit. All right, it is only to change this chart limit into one. So it won't pick more than one signal from all charts. Let's say, for example, you have opened like 20 or 30, 20 or 30 pairs because the currencies are 30, 20, I think 28 currencies and maybe gold. So this means you have 29 currencies already opened or symbols already open, and you have already attached the EA to those currencies. So this means even if it can get 5 signals from all currencies, it won't pick all 5 signals. It will only pick one signal with the potential. The system is capable of knowing which one with high potential so that it cannot do the guesswork. So it will only pick one signal. So I just want you to watch how it's going. I know it will go slow, but when you are doing the back testing, all right, all you can do, you can minimize there and go here to graph so that you can see the movement of what is going on. If it picks trade, you will see some changes at this point. All right, so we can do that. We can minimize in order to go very fast. You can see we are in $88, 188. So we can wait here and see. Let me show you. The moment it will pick the signal, we can go to this area because it will show some changes here because the graph must go according to the signal. So there is no signal. There is a signal so far. That is where we are. That is the first signal. You can see the changes here. So let us go back here. Again, let's go down. See, this is a cell, maybe. Sorry for that. All right, all right, all right. Remember, the system is programmed with the risk management, so you don't have to worry where the stop loss is. You can see here now it's trailing. Oh my, a good profit. Now we are in a $223. Oh my. This is why I was telling you it is good to rely on our default setting so that it can trail profit instead of taking early a profit so that you can All right, let's see if this person with $100 now, remember the gold, it has already tripled this month. You can watch our last video. I think it was for yesterday. You can watch that video and see the gold tripled the $100. Now, today it is GBP USD. Let us watch this again and see. We have another signal. Here it is the stop loss. All right, let us watch again. Trailing, open another trailing. It has hit our trailing. We already need 258 profit, no stop loss. So far, no loss. You can see we are in all profit, no loss so far. So this means it's very, very safe, even if you have $100. And remember, the system, you get it with a monthly subscription with only $100, $150 monthly subscription, $150, and you are good to go, right? If it can triple this account 4 times, 5 times, remember, if the gold has already tripled the account, let us wait. Maybe even our GBPUSD will also triple account. See, this means that only gold with GBPUSD, you would have hit like 6 times if it will triple this account with GBPUSD. Oh my! Imagine raising your account from $100 to more than $500, even $1,000 in a very single month, because it depends, all right, with the condition of the market. One thing I can assure you, you can never blow your account using our system. No more blowing account. This is why we are sharing confidently, even the live back testing here with $100, right? We used to use big account, blah, blah, blah. But now we are very comfortable, even back testing with $100. You can see that is another trailing a good profit, 295. Oh my. We are still, it has already doubled. We are almost tripling the account because only $5 remaining, and we will be tripling the account by date 13th. All right, so we can still minimize because it is still far. We can still watch our graph. There is another signal there. Oh my, it has already taken profit. All right, we are in $300. Oh my, we are still going. I'm doing that because it is date 14. Because if also we watch it, it might take time, because when you minimize, it will go very fast. There another signal here. Let's see, sell. Let's wait. Again, trailing, and it has already taken the profit. All right, remember the system also contain the detectors, all right, to make sure if the market, you see here, after taking the profit, if the market reverse, that is the work of detectors to make sure it has detect something in other time frame, that the EA can reverse, or the market can reverse and take the profit at the right time. 320. Oh my, watch here. So anything, any change here, it tells us there will be a signal. All right, we will have to minimize. We are already in the data 16th. All right, another signal. We can see it. Another signal. Trailing there. Already detector has already taken the profit. That was not the trailing, that is the detector. 337. Oh my, the GBP USD is doing great. It has already tripled the account, and already we are in $37 above that. Oh my, let us minimize again. Let's watch here. Any changes that makes here, we open here, because that one will be another signal. All right, we are doing that so that it can go fast, very fast, so that we can avoid the video to be too long. All you need to know is that nothing is manipulated here. Oh my, you will have voice. Oh, that video is too long. Oh my, you can forward the video in order to see the final result. But the best thing is to watch, all right? Another signal here. The profit is, it has already been taken. That is 460. Oh my. Does this mean last month you would have given almost 4 times of your account? That is more than tripling, all right? 4 times of your account. Let us wait and see, guys. Oh my, it's unbelievable. On date 18th, all right? Okay, let us minimize there so that it can go fast. Another signal is there. We have another signal there. Let's wait. Again, the market is reversing. Let's wait. Let's wait whether it will hit our stop loss. You remember our stop loss is based on account percentage also. Well, let's see how much it's coming on our favor or on our way. There we go, there we go, there we go. Again, trailing. Oh my, we have another buy. It's a good one. $385. This means it will give more for 4 times because it is still early, date 19. Right? This is date 19. Doesn't matter. Remember, if they manipulate the market with the spread, the EA won't take trades. It's a very professional EA that cannot allow them to manipulate your trades using the spread because that is what they do, especially when we have a red news or maybe something. Again, we are in a good profit, 400. Oh my, I'm feeling like even I can stop there. That is 4 times of your account at date 21st. Oh my, that is so good. You can see the graph here. The market is going so well, so cool. Oh my, that is good because it has given us 4 times of our account by date 22nd. So let us wait and see more signals, all right? We can't pause, we can't say, oh, now it's enough. No, 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 we cannot say it's enough. Might have another signal. So let's wait for the system to finish the trading, right? That is so cool, man. Let us wait, let us wait. We are in date 24th. Oh my, 409 now dollars. Oh my, we can go to history here. No stop loss, all right? There is no any stop loss, only profit, 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 profit. And we have already made $300 so far. So even if it won't peak, you know, sometimes at the end of the month, there is sometimes a lot of manipulation, first in the last week. So sometimes you may find that difficult trading manually, trading by your own, maybe on because of NFP first and the last week of the month, right? It's not that easy for all traders. Oh my, we are still going. No more trades. You're reading date 29th. Let us minimize. There will be an alert if it has finished. Back testing. 29, no trades. Oh my, you can see now that is GBPUSD. It has done more than what we were expecting. Another signal there. Let's wait, guys, and see what's happening. What's happening here? Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's almost the end of the month. That's now the power of SMC, a sniper. The combination of SMC sniper, Fibonacci retracement, and also Supreme. A candles, and I think we are almost done now, right? Almost done. Waiting to see, we are already in date 31st. Let's see if there will be a last signal. Oh my, oh my, oh my. And it's already done with the last signal with $317. Oh my, no stop loss at that month. From $100 balance to $400. So let me show you how you save this into Excel, because this is where you will find after it has finished the back testing, it will bring this area, the back testing. Now you can see the result here. We have gross profit, we have total net profit, and the deposit was $100. Then you can right click, you go here to report and open your Excel. From there, this is GPP, GBPUSD. Which month is this? August. All right, report. So if you save it direct like that, you click OK, it will open an Excel sheet automatically. So this is one of the things that I will share on our Telegram, and every result you'll find it here in Excel sheet. So there is nothing edited. If we scroll down there, let's see here, you can see total net profit 209, gross profit 160, 316. We have a deposit. You can see the deposit is for $100. The leverage is 1:500. So if you scroll here, you can see the graph there. You can come to this point. Let me do this. Oh my, wow. Because I want you to see. Let's scroll down. We have a profit. We have a balance here. We have a balance here. And if we scroll there, you can see here, this is TFX SMC Sniper EA. That is our EA. Then you can scroll down and see now the total profit is 409. All right. This is minus swap, minus commission. So the balance from $100 now, you can see we have a balance from $100 and now it's 409. The same thing we are seeing here on our screenshot, because you can see now the deposit is $100 and total balance now it's 409. And it is simple as that. That is only gold and GBPUSD. Trading in 100 account dollars, no blowing account, no losses. Losses are there because very few, all right? But in this month here with gold, with GBPUSD, there is no any single gold and it loss, and it has given 4 times of the account. This tells you that now confidently, anyone with the account of more than $100 or $100, you are 100% sure that you can trade using our system and make a good money. So get your copy with only a monthly subscription of $100 or $2,000 for a lifetime license with 2 real accounts. So guys, that's all I have to say. All the result will be shared also on our Telegram. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. Thank you.